Rezwan. I wanted to start by asking you about what you discovered with your report and what it is that make the banking sector of Saudi Arabia different from banking sectors in other countries.
Thanks for having me, Tom. The Saudi banking sector is different in a few ways. One of which is the spread between rural population of banking clients versus the cosmopolitan city-based hubs like Riyadh and Jeddah. They have very different needs, and as a result, the demand of their banks are materially different. What our survey found is that in both rural and city-based settings, you have a customer base that still want a significant portion of their interaction with their bank to be phygital in some way, shape, or form, meaning they want a digital experience, but they also have that relationship requirement with their banker. It's something that's very important to Saudis. Having said that, rural customer bases require a slightly different service. In that they are less technologically advanced in terms of digital adoption. They are more reliant on banks, and financial literacy isn't quite as high as you would see in the cities. In the cities, however, you still have people that will say, no, I have a relationship with my bank and I really like that. And there are certain activities there, for example, wealth management, or even discussing a mortgage, that they are not quite yet comfortable in doing purely digitally. They want a part digital experience, perhaps to kick off a mortgage application digitally, but they still want and value the relationship that they've got with their banker, because I think there's a cultural difference in Saudi compared to other markets, which is business is done with a huge amount of trust rather than in a transactional manner.